Welcome to the third video of our Customer Insights series. In this video, we'll unify our data sources. Watch the introduction video to get a complete overview of what functionalities we're covering and what our end goal is for this series to help a fictional company called Contoso Coffee. The data unification process lets you unify splintered data sources into a single dataset that provides a unified view of your customers. The process consists of 3 steps: map, match, and merge. This process creates a new customer table. When mapping, we'll define which tables contain customer attributes like name, email address, and gender. Then we'll match the records from different tables to each other and find out if customers are mentioned in more than one column. At last, we'll need to merge our data. We'll define what our new customer table should look like based on the available attributes. Let's start with an incognito browser and opening the Customer Insights environment. See the link in the description below to get to the right place and to log in there. In the last video, we ingested our data sources. Let's now unify these sources. With source fields, we can define the customer fields found in our data. Click on Get Started and select Entities and Fields. Make sure to select Contacts and Loyalty Customers, as these contain customer data. Click on Apply and make sure to select the right primary keys, which would be Contact ID for the contacts table and loyalty ID for the loyalty table. Let's now review the mapped fields. As you can see, reward points has a measurement duration type. In this case, that would be incorrect. So let's create our own type, which will be named reward points. Let's go back to the contacts table and check this one as well. Let's change the type of email subscriber. And click on Save Source Fields. Then click Next. Here we could add rules to merge duplicate records. In this case, we will be moving on to matching conditions. We want every record to create a customer profile. We want to add a rule to see if there are any overlapping customers that will create one unique customer profile instead of creating 2 separate ones for the same person. Let's make sure to match them by email. We could normalize our data to standardize it. For example, we could do this for email addresses. However, in this case, that won't be necessary. We can also set a precision level. In this case, only exact matches will be matched as a unique customer profile. We could also change this to a high precision level, where a simple typo could be filtered out so they can still be matched. Setting the precision level even lower will allow for bigger mistakes to be made. Let's keep it at a high precision level for now. Give this match rule a name, for example, email comparison, and click Done. click on Next. Let's see how our entities are combined in the unique customer profile. Make sure to match your profiles to what you see on the screen. Before clicking on Next. Now we can create our customer profiles. The other processes are automatically refreshing. This might take some time. As you can see, 5,000 matches have been made. Let's click on Edit at Matching Conditions to see what this looks like. There are 10,000 unique source records, of which half have been matched together, and 5,000 are not in other entities as well. Let's look at the matched records by clicking on Email Comparison. Here you can see the match score, where you will see that the email addresses are exactly matched when the score is 100%. In this case, there aren't any scores that are, for example, 95%, which would mean there was a mistake in the email address, but it was still matched because it was similar enough. Let's close this window, click on Cancel, and check out the customer profiles that have been created. Let's check out Abby Moss. As you can see, the customer card has been created with all the records we have seen before. In the upcoming videos, we will be enhancing this profile and adding more information on our customers, for example, activities and measures, which will make this card more useful for your business. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions, or contact us via email if you're considering to use customer insights within your company.